Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to view your blocked list on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and visiting the Facebook website. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. In the Settings and Privacy menu, click on Settings. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy. Step 6. Now, click on Blocking. Step 7. Next to Block Users, click on the Edit button. Step 8. Finally, click on See Your Blocked List. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to view your blocked list on Facebook using your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.